A lot has happened during the last 10 years. Most of it is actually in the human research. It's opening up ways of thinking, a new way of thinking, because we have been very focused on that the locomotion system is related to function of muscles, functions of bones, function of tendons, but we tend to forget that it's a fascia system which is actually connecting everything, and it's a fascia system which is the base skeleton of everything and of the whole body, and the other things are just put into it. So it is a new paradigm which is actually opening up a new way of thinking, also because very close interactions with the nervous system has been found. A part of the skepticism is also that people can see that they have to think in quite a new way. They have to approach the diagnosis that they make and include another factor which might be overruling all the other factors that we actually focused on before. So therefore, people has to start from scratch when they're doing this, but it doesn't really mean that they have to throw out all the old knowledge, because this is something on top of it. This is things and knowledge that will combine the things that they already know and make it much more three-dimensional and go much more to the depth that they have done before. Because we can easily show this and this and this and that, but it's difficult in a three-dimensional system to show that if you're doing this, then this and this happens. Because you have a three-dimensional system, you have a system which is working all over the body, and it is interacting and in conjunction all the way around. So this is the clinical part of it, which has to be evaluated and validated, so that you can see that the treatment is working, because the structure and the function and the architecture of the fascia, that's actually, that's anatomy. That's pure anatomy, and there's no hocus pocus about that. We have to approach it in quite a different way, and that's a challenge. And I think that people are afraid of these challenges because they need to sit down, they need to get into this from the base to understand what's going on.